Hi everybody. It's getting hot. So what we got? 113 is what that says. 113. So this hangs out inside the shell. I got these window air conditioner units that they're awesome. They work really well and they're really quiet and they use less energy, right? And so had them for the house and I was like, there's got to be a way to put this in the truck. Let's cut a hole in the side of the shell that'll accept the front of that air conditioning unit. The technology that you want to look for if you're going to look for a new like window air conditioner and give this a shot is you're looking for that term inverter. So an inverter air conditioner or whatever, that's like the newest technology that's in these air conditioners that makes them run really efficiently and quietly too. The cool thing about this is that these new air conditioners are so energy efficient that this thing only pulls like 700 watts, maybe 750. It only weighs like 45 pounds, but the truck's kind of tall. Got it? So I'm gonna have Carrie help me. And we're just going to slide this thing in here. That's what I wanted, okay. You ready to plug in? All right, let's do it. Cool. I heard it beeping there. Plugs right into the inverter. Like I said, this is a 2,000 watt inverter. It was questionable as to whether this thing was going to be able to handle this AC, but it handles it pretty dang good. Nice and neat. Just kind of hanging out in this little corner there. I never used the remote before. Maybe I ain't gonna use it because I haven't figured that out yet. Okay, power. 111. All right, here we go. Working, doing its thing. Awesome. So this thing is on here pretty good, and it's sandwiched right in here. Good. So would I drive down the road with it like this? I don't think so. If I had to, or if I was just kind of maybe moving from one campsite to another, okay. But driving down the highway, nah. It's easy enough. Pull it out, throw it in the back, drive, wherever it is. Set up camp, put this thing back in, all right? Cool, go check this out. $75. Party on, people. So obviously as soon as I open the back, all the cool air goes out. But it's been 20 minutes and it went from 111 down to 75, right? You can't complain about that. This is my spot right here. Like I'm on this side. There's the AC, but I'm good. I mean, this does not affect me and my sleeping at all. I bet that there's a possibility that I will wake up quickly and bang my head on this thing. But other than that, I think it's going to be great. All right, that's enough of that angle, right? We don't need to see Bob laying down on his bed. So when it came down to it, I don't want to cut a hole in the roof to put a RV AC unit up there that's not going to be as efficient and is going to cost a whole bunch of money. And then you got to think about, okay, how are you going to wire this thing up? I just don't basically I don't want holes in the roof. And I can't put holes in the roof because there's solar up there covering everything up. So this is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. And when we're camping, you know, if you've seen any of our videos, we have a tent that connects to the back of the truck here. And so all that cool air float around in here, and then it's going to go out into the living room, is what we call it. I think it's going to be delightful. Delightful. So that's it. I wanted you to check out this video and maybe get inspired to do something in your own rig. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road hopefully soon. Adios.